People are silent. I want everybody to attend the class. I don't want anybody to miss the class. I want all the students to join the class. I posted in the class group. Let's see. Yeah. So association criteria 1. Criterion 1. This method is called proportion method. Proportion.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
in the previous we put a heading independence of attributes and we left, sir. So is it the continuation?
Independence of
Attributes.
independence of attributes. Okay, that one. Huh?
Yeah.
Independence of attributes. Proportion method. Only thing is, I'll tell you. Okay, I'll combine here only. Actually, that is the separate topic. Okay. Now, AB divided by B is not equals to means it comes proportion. It comes under association. Are you getting my point, children? A
Yes, sir.
beta by B. Okay. Or there is one more formula. AB divided by A. Okay. Not equals to alpha B divided by alpha. Okay. These are called as association. But if I take it up, uh, independence of attributes. If I take it up, independence of attributes. And same method if I'm talking about proportion method. If I'm talking, what I can do, AB divided by B equals to A beta by beta. Getting, children? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
The same point, if you say not equals to, it falls under association. If you say equals to, it becomes independence of attributes. Am I clear, children? Hello? Are you
Yes,
able to
sir.
understand, children?
Yes, sir. Previously we wrote AB not equal to AB by N. Is it the same thing, sir?
No, that is another formula.
Okay.
That is alternative formula. Criteria 2 it will come. Okay, I'll tell you that also. Give me some time. Then this one, AB divided by A equals to alpha B divided by alpha. Okay. So this again, if you are rewriting it, I'll write it here. Positively associated, okay, if AB by B is greater than A beta by beta. Is it okay, children? This first one, whatever I have written, from this I am writing.
Sir, this is just a formula, right? You're just explaining independent, associated, not associated, positive, negative.
Yes. If you
Okay,
take
sir.
equals to, independence of attributes, that means there is no association at all. But if you say not equals to, that means they are having association. A and B attributes are associated. Okay. Then AB by B less than A beta by beta. Okay. This is called as negatively associated. Which are negatively associated? Attributes A and B are positively associated. Here attributes A and B are negatively associated if you are writing this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. The same thing if you write equals to, it becomes independence of attributes. Is it okay, children? Criteria 1. Criterion 2. What is criterion 2? You are comparing observed and expected frequencies. You're comparing observed and expected frequencies. So they are positively associated. If AB is greater than A into B by N. Okay. Negatively associated if AB is less than A into B by N. Okay, the same point we will write delta greater than 0, delta less than 0. What is delta? They call this portion as AB naught. So AB minus AB naught is greater than 0. This change is called as delta. Here also AB minus AB naught less than 0. So you get negative here. It becomes negative less than 0. That is why delta less than 0. So if it is positive, it is delta greater than 0. Then we say they are positively associated. So independence of association. When do we call they are independent? Attributes A and B. Oh, my page is over. Huh? 1 minute. How do I do it? Insert language. Yeah, I make some of this. Yeah. Now, students, is it okay so far? Discussion. What is independence of association? When your AB is equals to A into B divided by N. Is it okay, children? Criterion 3. Criterion 3. What comes under criterion 3? It is Yule's association. Yule's coefficient of association. Okay. Yule's coefficient of association. We call this as the heading. Okay, children. Here, he defined it as Q. Okay. So Q is equals to AB into AB into alpha beta minus A beta into alpha B divided by AB into alpha beta minus, plus A beta into alpha B. Any doubts, any questions, children, here? So your Q always lies between -1 and +1. If Q is equals to -1 or +1, we say there is a perfect positive association between attributes between A and B attributes. Any doubts, children? Hello?
We'll do sums on this, no, sir. We'll get used to it. It's okay.
Okay. So this will be perfect negative association between A and B attributes. Q is equals to 0. That means A and B are independent. What do you mean by independent? There is no association, dissociation, absence of association between the attributes. Is that clear, children? Yule's coefficient?
Yes.
Then there is one more criteria called as criterion 4. This criterion 4 is called as coefficient of colligation. This is also given by Yule only. This is also given by Yule only, Professor Yule. Okay. He says this coefficient as gamma. Gamma. We call this as gamma. So gamma, how to do? Gamma value also lies between -1 and +1. Only thing is, he is giving the formula as gamma is equals to 1 minus root of A beta into alpha B divided by A B into alpha beta 1 plus root of A beta alpha B divided by A B into alpha beta. So this gamma value should be -1 to +1 value. If it is +1, again same story. +1, perfect positive association. Perfect positive association. If gamma is equals to -1, perfect negative association. If gamma is equals to 0, there is no association. A and B are independent. Independent of association. There is no association at all. Zero. Zero association. Is that okay, children? Now take down the problem, children. Take down the problem. We'll do one problem, then you'll understand. Problem number 1. If A is equals to 450, B is equals to 650, AB is equals to 310, N is equals to 1000, find whether A comma B attributes are associated or not. Are associated or not. So how to proceed, children? What is AB? 310. What is AB naught? A into B divided by N. What is A, children?
450.
450, sir.
450. What is B?
650.
What is N?
1000.
1000.
1000. So multiply all these and then tell me final answer.
292.5.
292.5. Okay. So your AB is greater than your AB naught, or AB minus AB naught delta is equals to, so 310 minus 292.5 is equals to how much?
17.5.
17.5.
Okay. So your delta is greater than 0. Therefore, there is a positive association. There is a positive association between the attributes A and B. Can I say this? There is one more way of solving it, or AB and A into B by N, if you compare, if this is greater, that is 310 is greater than 292.5, we say positive association. Some people talk about delta. Using delta they solve, that is AB naught they bring into picture. Some people don't bring AB naught into picture and then directly do this. Is that okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is it true without delta also, no?
Yeah. Anything is okay. Anything is okay. First step you take AB. Okay, 310. Second step, A into B divided by N. 450 into 650 divided by 1000 comes to 292.5. Okay, so AB is greater than A into B divided by N. This is 310. This is 292.5. Therefore, there is a positive association between attributes A and B. Any doubts? Any doubts, children?
No, sir.
Oh. Now moving to the second question. Out of 715 literates, how many literates I have taken? 715 in a particular city in India. Number of criminals is equal to how much? 8. Out of illiterates, how many illiterates we are taking? Illiterates is 975. How many criminals are there? 17 are there. Find out if illiteracy and criminality are associated or not. Find out whether illiteracy and criminality are associated or not by using proportion, by using proportion method. So they are clearly specifying here proportion method. Is that okay, children? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's do the solution now. What is the solution, children? Let us define the attributes, right?
Yes, sir.
Define the attributes. How do you define the attributes? A stands for
Literates.
illiteracy. Alpha stands for literacy. Correct or wrong? Criminality. Beta stands for non-criminality. I don't know English is right or wrong. No criminality or non-criminality. Please take it up.
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir,
A
how
is
can we take A as a
Literacy.
literacy, sir? It is literacy, sir.
Yeah. Now
Because
this
we
is
are
what
talking
is,
about
yeah,
positive attributes.
exactly. I was actually thinking nobody's asking me doubts. It's good that you have asked the doubts. Please see the question here. In the question, they are asking illiteracy and criminality. Yes, children.
So the selection of attributes will be based on what is given in the question, sir. It's not
Question.
on. Okay.
Yes. Based on the question.
So whatever is given in the question, we assume it to be the positive attribute, and the other way around will be the negative attribute.
Yes. Okay, children. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Proportion method. What is proportion method says? What is the proportion method talking about? Yes, children. AB by AB by A, alpha B by alpha. Any doubts here? What is AB indicates? What is alpha B indicates? Number of illiterate criminals is AB. Am I right?
yes.
What is alpha B? Number of literate criminals. Okay. So using this notation, can you please help me in writing how much is given? How much is given as AB in the problem? How much is A in the problem? Illiterates how many?
975.
7.
How many criminals are there in that?
17.
17, sir.
Yeah. How many literates are there? How many
750.
criminals? How many criminals we have?
750.
Literate criminals. Literate criminals means alpha B, right? Alpha B is 8, no? What is alpha, children? Literates. How many we don't require? Do we require B? Only B? No, we don't require. We require alpha. Alpha is how much, children? Literates.
715.
715, sir.
715. Okay. So let me write AB by A is equals to 17 divided by 975. Is that okay? Alpha B divided by alpha. Yeah. How much? Tell me, children, how much is this? How much is this? How much is AB by A?
0.0174.
0.0174. Okay. Next one.
0.0112.
Okay. So can we write in percentage? It will be easy for us. Is that okay, children? So AB by A is more than or greater than alpha B by alpha. Is that okay, children? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the conclusion? A, illiteracy, and B, criminality are positively associated or positively associated. Is it okay, children? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. To avoid confusion and thinking about your problem, your doubt, what you asked, should we take as per question or should we go as per our normal thinking? Okay. You can do as per your thinking, I think so, because you make the data, you write your own thing, and you put it the table or whatever the explanations, and you write the formula accordingly. There is no hard and fast rule, I feel. But to bring the uniformity, this is the way. Everybody has to write like this. Otherwise, what happens? Person who corrects the paper, he will see A sometimes literate and alpha as illiterates. So accordingly, I have to frame the formula then. Getting my discussion? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just to bring the uniformity, I am doing this. Otherwise, different formulas will be shown on the paper.
No, sir. Let's go with the uniform formula itself. That's fine.
Oh. Yeah. So up to this is clear to you, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then third problem, please. 95% of the people who drink alcohol die before reaching the age of 85. 95% of people who drink alcohol die before 85 years of age. Okay. Now the question is, therefore, drinking alcohol is bad for longevity of life? Comments. Only one line. 95% of the people who drink alcohol die before reaching the age of before reaching 85 years, age of 85 years. So drinking alcohol is bad for long life? Comment. What do you say, children? Can we do this? Can we solve the problem? What is the answer, children? What are the variables we are supposed to take as attributes? A is what? Drinking alcohol. A is drinking alcohol. Okay, alpha will be
Not drinking alcohol.
not drinking. Not drinking alcohol. What is B?
85 years and below.
Die before reaching age of 85 years. What is beta?
Die after the age of 85 or live after the age of 85.
Yeah, die after reaching age of 85 years. Okay. Now, what is the data given to you? This A they have given and B they have given. AB they have given as how much? AB by A. AB by A is given as 95%. That is 0.95. AB by A is given. So you just look at the previous formula. Alpha B by alpha is given. Alpha B by alpha. Do we have?
considering the total of 100, should we think it is 5%, sir? The ones who don't drink alcohol and die after 85. Or should we say proper information is not given and we cannot proceed?
I say information is not available. This information is insufficient to arrive valid conclusion about the association between A and B. We must have the percentage of persons who do not drink alcohol and die before reaching age of 85. That is alpha B by alpha data is not available.
So can't we take alpha as 5%, sir, then?
Alpha, no. What is 95%, children? 95 by 100, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, alcohol drinkers, if you are taking 100, people who drink and die are 95. Yes or no? People who don't drink and die and people who don't drink, do you have the data?
No, sir.
Therefore, I cannot. So, given statement, drinking alcohol is bad for longevity of life cannot be commented because of insufficient data. So, note, write down. Data for percentage of persons who do not drink alcohol and die before reaching the age of 85 years. Are you writing, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Data for percentage of persons who do not drink alcohol and die before reaching the age of 85 years is not available in the given problem. Is not available in the given problem. Therefore, information is insufficient. Information is insufficient to arrive at any valid conclusions. Information is insufficient to arrive at any valid conclusion about the association between the variables A and B. Don't say variables, say attributes. Conclusion about the association between A and B attributes. Is that clear, children?
Yes, sir.
This is my primary note. Okay. If at all I have to say the given statement is right, then I write AB by A is greater than alpha B by alpha. If this is greater than this, that means what? AB by A should be greater than alpha B by alpha, then it will be true. That means this is 95%. This will be less than 95% because we don't know the data. Then we say the given statement is true. Given statement is, yeah. Because this is not available, I say given statement is wrong. I cannot comment. I cannot comment. If I have the data, people who drink alcohol but dying after 95, after 85, I say drinking alcohol is good for long life. That also I can say. So anyway, it is insufficient data, simple. Only one conclusion, children. Insufficient information. Don't say data, information. Insufficient information for coming to conclusions. I cannot come to the conclusion. Is that clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's move on to the next problem. This is third, okay? Yeah, let's move to the fourth problem now. Yeah. N is given to you as 1482. A is given to you as 368. B is given to you as 343. AB is equals to 35. Find Yule's coefficient of association. Yule's coefficient of association. Yeah. Yeah. So can we do this, children? Can we find out how to proceed for this problem?
We
What
have to
is the
first find alpha and beta, sir.
Yeah, first make the table A, alpha, B, beta, they are attributes. This is total. This is total. N is 1482 and A is 368.
Sir,
Oh,
A,
sorry.
sir, it is.
Yeah. Sorry, I went wrong. A is 368. B is 343. AB is 35. Am I right, children?
Yes, sir.
So 343 minus 35.
308.
308.
1482 minus 343.
1139.
Okay. 1482 minus 368.
1114.
1114 minus 308.
806.
Okay. 368 minus 35.
333.
Huh?
333, sir.
333. Yeah. Oh. So this is the advantage of online class, children. I can use different inks and write. Okay. So we have advantages, we have disadvantages both. Yeah. Now tell me, is the data sufficient now? Is everything done?
Yes, sir.
Go back to previous table, children. Previous problem. Can we do the table here? A, B, alpha, beta. Yeah. In this, can you please tell me what is AB? What is A? What is beta? What is N? What is alpha? What is alpha B? No idea, no?
No, sir.
So there are so many question marks. Alpha B by alpha, question mark. I don't know N, I don't know alpha, so I cannot proceed. Getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
And some of you were unhappy when we were discussing about it. Why I said I cannot? There's so many question marks.
Now it's clear, sir.
I could make out there was not much voice from the students about understanding, not understanding of this particular question. Only 1, 2, 3, first column only they have given information. Second column, third column, no data is available. Therefore, I cannot proceed. Students, are you able to understand insufficient information?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to this question. Yule's coefficient of association. What's the formula, children?
Q is equal to
Yeah. Q is equals to
AB into
alpha beta
alpha beta minus
A beta into
alpha.
alpha B.
Yes.
Alpha B. Yeah. Here again down AB into alpha beta minus plus A beta into alpha B. Okay. So apply. AB is 35 into alpha beta 806 minus A beta 333 into alpha B is 308 divided by 35 into 806 plus 333 into 308. So Q is equals to, yeah. Can you please tell me how much is this? 35 into 806, how much, children?
28,210.
28,210 minus, how much is 333 into 308?
1,02,564.
1 lakh
2,564.
2000.
564.
564. Okay. 28,210 plus 1,02,564. So I'm getting negative. How much?
74,354.
74,334.
354.
354.
334.
354.
Okay, 354 divided by
1,30,774.
770.
774.
How much is this answer? Minus 0.57.
57.
567.
Okay,
5686.
57. You can take. So your Q value is less than minus 0.5. So that is when you draw the number line, 0 is here, minus 0.5 is here, 0.57 means I get here, 0.57 will come here. So this is less, no? Is it less or more? We say there is a negative association between A and B attributes.
So would we write Q is less than minus 0.5 or should we write 0 or something like that? Because we just have 1, -1 and 0. So can we use any number in between them as well?
We have to do between -1 and +1, right?
Yes, sir. So we wrote
the
a
rule.
0.5. Is it okay?
So no. What I'm trying to say, because it is less than 0.5, I can say there's a fairly negative degree of fairly good degree of negative correlation. Fairly good degree of negative correlation, negative association. Up to -1 I can go, no? Up to -1 I can go. So it is between +1 and -1. Therefore, there is an association, and we are having negative association. Fairly good degree of negative association. It is approaching to -1. Okay, your +1 is here. This is your -1. So +1 is here. So it is approaching towards -1. Therefore, I say fairly good degree of negative correlation, negative association. Towards -1 it is approaching. That's why I say good. But negative. Because we do not know what is A, what is B, we do not know. So simply I am telling, because I have to say positive comment. So I am telling fairly good degree of negative association. Hello?
So how do you say we do not know A and B because we do have A and B totals?
No, I do not understand that. What is this attribute? Is it stealing? Is it?
Oh, about the attribute. Okay, sir. I thought we
Ah.
were talking about the numbers and okay.
No. I'm
And we
talking about.
understood it is negative attribute. That is correct. But I just want to know if we can write Q is less than minus 0.5. Can we use that number 0.5? Because the formula that we're writing, we say Q should be between -1 and 1. So is it
Correct.
not something like we use only those
Between-
numbers to represent it?
No, 1 minute. Right here. Here, between -1 and 0, what is the midpoint?
0.5.
0.5. That is how I have taken 0.5.
Okay, sir. I thought we should be writing that Q lies between 0
Nothing,
and -1.
It is, if you take only -1 and +1, simply you can say negative association over.
Okay.
But we love adding adjectives, no? Human beings love adjectives, no?
So we shouldn't be using anything wrong, sir, in the exam.
No. That is what I'm telling. Marks are not my criteria. Marks is not the criteria for me for teaching. Of course, for you it is a criteria. Okay? My logic is right or wrong?
It is correct, sir. It's just that I wanted to know, should we write it in like how we wrote, like Q lies between 0 and -1. Should we write it like that or direct 0.5 we can use?
This is only, extra knowledge.
Okay.
Simply
So
if
what
I
she's
have to-
saying, we need to write conclusion C as Q lies between -1. So we are writing it as -0.5, right? So in conclusion, should we write saying the reason why we
I understood what is
and
her idea.
so
Okay, simply if I have to say -1 and +1, it is lying between -1 and +1. Therefore, it is having negative association. I will say over.
Not -1 +1, so 0 and -1 because it's a negative number.
Yeah, 0 and -1 it is there. Negative side it is there. So negative association over. There is a matter. But what is that extra I am writing here is this is approaching towards -1.
Understood, sir.
Therefore, I am writing fairly good degree.
Okay.
And it is good in nature or not, I don't know. Because I don't know what is A, what is B.
Attributes.
Therefore, I am writing like this extra. That's all. Hope you are understanding.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, shall we move on to next question?
Sir, Geeta ma'am is waiting for her class. Sir.
Oh,
That's already 12.
sorry. I have already crossed the time limit. So, you please join the next class. Somebody can post me the attendance in the WhatsApp group, our QTBD class. Okay. Thank you, children. We'll stop it here. You have to remind me our time is over. Okay, right. No issues.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, children.
Thank you.